Paying off debt doesn't update your credit score instantly because lenders report new balances on their own billing cycles, and credit bureaus only refresh your score after they receive that updated data. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how long credit score updates usually take after paying off debt, why some balances still show as unpaid, and what actually speeds up the update process. The first thing to understand is the reporting delay. Even if you pay off a credit card today, your lender may not report that change until the end of your billing cycle. That means your old balance can still show on your credit report for a short period of time, even though your account is already paid in full. Once the lender reports the updated balance, credit bureaus need time to process the information. That's when your credit score actually recalculates. So the timeline depends on two separate steps: the lender reporting the payoff, and the credit bureau updating your file. Another reason updates feel slow is statement timing. Credit card companies typically report the balance that appears on your statement closing date. If your balance was high at that exact moment, that number is what gets sent, even if you paid it down a few days later. This is why some people still see a high balance after paying everything off. Installment loans, like personal loans or auto loans, work a little differently. When you pay them off, the account is marked as closed with a zero balance, but that update still has to move through the same reporting cycle before it shows on your credit report. 1. There's also a timing mismatch across credit bureaus. Not all lenders report to all three bureaus at the same time, so your score may update on one bureau before the others. That can make it look like your credit is changing in stages, instead of all at once. In most cases, once the updated information is reported, your credit score reflects the payoff quickly. But if you're checking your score daily, it can feel delayed simply because you're seeing different reporting snapshots instead of a real-time number. To make the update show faster, the most effective step is timing your payoff before the statement closing date, so the lower balance gets reported instead of the old one. That single change has the biggest impact on how quickly your credit report reflects the payoff. To sum it up, credit scores update after lenders report new balances. The process depends on billing cycles, and delays happen because only work with reported data, not real-time payments. The next step is to check your statement closing date and plan future payoffs before that date, so the updated lower balance gets reported immediately. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear explanations of credit score timing and updates.